In this video, I will explain a logical, statistical, and mathematical function of Microsoft Excel called AverageIF. Pay your attention while watching this video to understand the process better. Let's begin. The AverageIF function calculates the arithmetic mean for cells that meet requirements. Is equal to AverageIF, round bracket open, range, comma, criterion, comma, square bracket open, average range, square bracket close, round bracket close is the syntax for this function. The part included in square brackets is purely optional. You may manually input the function, start it from the Formulas tab, or utilize the insert function just like any other function in Excel. When you start typing a formula, such as is equal to AVE, Excel will show you a list of alternative tasks from which to pick. You can continue to type the formula or pick it from the displayed list by double-clicking it or using the tab key. The formula you used will be modified. Process to perform. Select the cell range to be evaluated. This can be a range, a complete column or row, or if you have established one, a named range separated by a comma. Type the criteria in quotation marks. A number, cell reference, phrase, or text followed by a comma can be used as a criterion. For example, enter greater than 100 to obtain the average of all cells with a value greater than 100. Calculate the average of the actual cell. The first range cells will be averaged if no cell references are provided. You may not need to conduct step 3 if the range in the step 1 is numerical. To finish the formula, type a parenthesis and then press enter. Alternatively, insert the formula and function parameters using one of the following methods. Go to the Formulas tab, then to the More Functions section, choose Statisticals, then AverageIF, and finally OK. Another option for this process is select Insert function from the Formulas tab and press Shift plus F3 on your keyboard. Select the Insert function button adjacent to the Formulas bar as an alternative. Type average into the search box, then press enter or select enter. Alternatively, change the category from most recently used to statistical or choose a category drop-down menu. From the list of functions, choose AverageIF, then OK, or select enter. The dialog window for function arguments appears. Type the range of cells you want Excel to assess in the range box. If one has been defined, this can be a range, a whole column or row, or a named range. This was all from my side to guide you about Microsoft Excel's built-in function called AverageIF. Have you found this video helpful? Tell us in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get more knowledgeable and fact-based videos.